इधर अभी चल लीजिए।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लिए तालियां। बड़ी बात हो गई, अच्छी बात हो गई। ओके, थैंक यू, सी यू लेटर।
अक्षय सर इथे इथे
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट अक्षय सर लेफ्ट
सर तुमच्या समोर सर अक्षय सर
राइट
साहेब इकडे साहेब समोर साहेब इकडे साहेब
अक्षय हियर लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
साहेब इकडे साहेब
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
साहेब साहेब इकडे इकडे जल्दी चलो सर मैडम येत यहाँ पे लाइट सर आपके सामने
पांडे जी के ऊपर ही आ रहा है।
मैम लेफ्ट
कोई पांडे तो आगे जाए। मैम यार
Only two questions. Only two questions.
इधर अभी चल लीजिए।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लिए तालियां। बड़ी बात हो गई, अच्छी बात हो गई। ओके, थैंक यू, सी यू लेटर।
अक्षय सर इथे इथे
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट अक्षय सर लेफ्ट
सर तुमच्या समोर सर अक्षय सर
राइट
साहेब इकडे साहेब समोर साहेब इकडे साहेब
अक्षय हियर लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
साहेब इकडे साहेब
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
साहेब साहेब इकडे इकडे सर मैडम येत
Ready? हाँ
क्या कहना चाहिए आप बुक को
मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ। ये बहुत ही दिलचस्प किताब है और आई एम श्योर कि अगर आप इसे पढ़ेंगे तो आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा और बहुत अच्छा मैसेज भी है।
सोनम, करण ने काफ़ी बोला था आपके बारे में, क्या लास्ट टाइम आपके सीज़न में करण के सीज़न में काफ़ी धमाल मचाया, इस बार का क्या है?
होपफुली इस सीज़न में भी धमाल मचाऊंगी, वो देखते हैं क्या होता है इस सीज़न में।
और बताइए, और जो अक्षय कुमार के साथ भी आपकी काफ़ी अप्रिशिएट की है, ट्विंकल एंड पैडमैन 2 की बात हो रही थी शायद थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके, तो बताइए इसके बारे में कुछ प्लान है क्या? पैडमैन 2 के?
पैडमैन 2 मेरे को पता नहीं, पर मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि मैं यहाँ हूँ टीना के लिए, ट्विंकल के लिए, और उनकी फैमिली के साथ मेरा बहुत लंबा रिश्ता है क्योंकि उनकी डिम्पल आंटी एंड माई मॉम आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. So it was lovely being here, and I love to support Tina. She's an intelligent, wise and forward-thinking woman, and we need more such women like her. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
चलो रोल है सबका
So, Purva, look at.
रुक जा एक मिनट. Twinkle, what a fabulous book. It looks to be a very fabulous read. Of course, very bold and brave as well. Tell us in your words, how would you put it?
Well, this is my third book, Pajamas Are Forgiving, and I guess when I look at everything that I do, it's always about women finding their place in the world. And to me personally, I think what's interesting is that here there's a woman who's interested in finding redemption and not finding a man. And the other thing is it also has an interesting premise because it's in a very stringent Ayurvedic retreat where you're in a confined environment, and when you're like in Big Boss or Survivor, when you're inside an enclosed space, all the emotions run high, and that was interesting for me.
You know, we heard the extract while it was being read. We heard the name of a very prominent political figure as well. Do you fear some kind of an outlash, maybe probably given the fact that we live in times when people could take offense even at the most innocuous of...
Well, I don't think that I've written anything which anybody would take offense to, and what has been written has been in jest. So I hope that people enjoy the humor, and I think they will.
Ma'am, now 377 is legalized. What do you have to say on it?
Well, I'm wearing a dress to celebrate it, as you can see, all the colors of the rainbow, and I think it's a historic moment, and I couldn't be happier.
Why this title, Pajamas Are Forgiving? Why this title, Pajamas Are Forgiving?
Because the protagonists in the story wear pajamas throughout, and more than that, I think that we're very hard on ourselves. We wear skin-tight jeans. In a world of skinny jeans, the pajama girl is someone who's a lot more forgiving about herself.
क्योंकि इस टॉपिक पर फिल्म बननी चाहिए आपके अनुसार?
जी, मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगता कि हर स्टोरी फिल्म बननी चाहिए. मेरा काम है कि मैंने स्टोरी लिखी है, and that is all I'm interested in.
एंड ट्विंकल जी, ढेरों सारी फिल्मों का रीमेक बन रहा है. आपने भी ढेरों सारी फिल्में हिट दी है हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को. आप
मैंने एक भी फिल्म हिट नहीं दी है, तो थैंक यू.
ऐसे आप चाहेंगे आपकी किसी भी फिल्मों का रीमेक बने या?
नहीं, मैं तो चाहूँगी कि मैंने जितनी भी फिल्म्स की है वो शायद बैन हो जाए और कोई नहीं देखे.
ऐसा सोचती है ट्विंकल जी, क्योंकि अच्छी एक्टिंग तो करती हैं आप, तो ऐसा क्यों सोचती हैं?
Most of the time I pretend that I have Alzheimer's and I don't remember my film career, so I think it makes me happier that way.
What is redemption to you?
What is redemption to me? Personally, what is redemption to me? I think at this point in my life, what is redemption for me is the fact that it's not enough that I'm somebody who's self-sufficient or I'm somebody who's achieved equality. For me, redemption is if I can help make other women's lives easier, and that I think is redemption.
Twinkle, what did Akshay have to say after reading this book?
Akshay doesn't read books.
Where the paparazzi and everyone is going, probably we are to blame, but you kept your son and your daughter pretty secluded from us. So do you feel that we are kind of overdoing it? We can blame ourselves?
The times are such that I think the freedom that we enjoyed, whether it was going by train or taking a cycle and roaming around a neighborhood, those times are gone. What does scare me is that once these children become very recognizable, it is dangerous for them and for their safety, and that I think is a bit of a bother for me.
As a feminist,
what would be the advice you give to your daughter?
There is no advice. I think the biggest advice you can give your daughters is by setting a good example, and I hope I'm doing that.
We just spoke to Akshi. He said your daughter is very fond of running around. Do you think she will take up to some sport?
It's too early to say. She's 5.5 right now, so it's too early.
Tina, I think.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Twinkle, we saw Karan today at the book launch. Will we see you appearing in Karan shows soon?
I've done one session. I think that was more than enough, you know. So I like my coffee black, and Karan's humor is also black, and I think we gel because of that. But I've done my bit on coffee.
last question. आप उनके एक एड फिल्म में भी काम करेंगे, जैसे कारण ने बताया, कुछ बताएंगे इस एड फिल्म के बारे में? समथिंग
I think you'll have to wait and see. Thank you so much.